Hello. So I'm shooting this on the 25th of December in New Delhi. By the time you see this video, it's going to be, I think, 27th or 28th of December. So Happy New Year if you're watching it close to the New Year. Today I have something very interesting to talk about. I've been thinking about, since the New Year is happening very soon, we will be talking about what to expect in the new year. That I'm taking it a bit further, and let me talk about what I think will happen in the next few years, as in what's my view of the next 5 years in the camera industry. And I think I'm going to speak about it keeping Nikon in my mind. So right now I have the Z6 II in my hand with a 17 to 28 2.8. We're shooting in the low light, in this low light situation. It's almost 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. in the evening. So what I realized is that what I expect out of this lens is I want this lens to be an f2 zoom, but at the same time I want it to be compact. The only way to make this an f2 zoom but to make it compact is to not have a focal range which is 17 to 28, maybe 16 to 22, or maybe 17 to 25. I mean, maybe if I could, I can imagine the focal length being reduced but the lens being made faster. Why do I talk about that? Because I think focal length in future will be replaced by resolution. Let me let me explain. We are going to see high resolution sensors very soon. We are going to see more than 61 megapixels. That's the limit so far as far as Sony is concerned. So far, I think we are going to go beyond 61 megapixels and going to reach 100 megapixels or so on full frame cameras. And that's a very exciting scenario. But in order to achieve great image quality on 100 megapixel sensors, we need a lot of light coming onto the sensor. And the only way to do that is to ensure we have faster lenses. We have a line of faster lenses. And I think that's what I personally wish. I think tomorrow's standard is not going to be the f1.8 primes. I think tomorrow's standards are going to be f1.2 primes. And I think the challenge tomorrow is going to be how to make those lenses smaller, more compact, at the same time, how to make them within price. I think once that challenge is solved, 100 megapixels, 120 megapixels is possible, adequately possible. And then once that's done, we can crop in camera while shooting, or you can have, imagine Nikon's PF technology in a 100 05 1.2 lens. Okay, and imagine a teleconverter, 1.4 teleconverter in normal typical prime lenses. You've seen so far teleconverters in very expensive telephoto lenses like 400 or so. But why not a teleconverter in a 85 Why not a teleconverter in a 105 or 135 I think all of that is quite possible. We still don't know what the 85 1.2 is going to be, but I think the realm of possibility there is an opportunity for us to rethink and to sort of reimagine the entire camera sphere. I think that's the opportunity. This is Rajpath, and behind what you saw, let me show you there, what you see there is a presidential palace. So coming back, fast primes with teleconverters built in and probably with PF technology and made within price. And if that is possible, we can do a lot just by cropping in the camera or using the teleconverter. I think maybe all of this is just wishful thinking, but if this is possible, someone will do it. If Nikon doesn't do it, then Canon will. If Canon doesn't do it, I think Sony will. I think you're going to start seeing high megapixel sensors. And in order for high megapixels to be possible, practically possible, and to have the same amount of image quality, same level of image quality that you're getting used to with the Z9 and R6 Mark II, fantastic dynamic range, Sony A7 IV, it's being shot on the Sony A7 IV. What we need to see is fast lenses, frankly. What do you think? Do you think it's going to happen? Or it's just wishful, crazy thinking? Let me know about it in the comment section. I'm going to see you very soon in the new year. Happy 2023. What do you think of Nikon? What do you think is going to happen to Nikon? Who's going to win, Nikon, Sony, or Canon?
Fujifilm.
What?
Nikon has been very personal. It's been close to my heart, and I think Nikon's going to own the space. So that's it.